guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Aeronautical Engineering. Learn, grow and fly with us. With the motive to learn and share our knowledge, we have started this lecture module where we will discuss about the basic concept behind the aircraft structure 2, which is thought to be one of the most important topic for aeronautical engineering syllabus. So without doing any delay, let us start our first topic, that is bending of beam. When external load applied on a beam, then bending moment will occur. Due to bending moment, the shape of the beam change and it induce some internal stress. This is called bending of beam. Suppose this is a beam at initial condition without applying load. So if we are applying load F at the middle portion, then due to bending, the beam will change its shape like this. So this is the bending of beam. Types of bending. There are two types of bending mainly. The first one is symmetrical bending. Second one is unsymmetrical bending. So first we discuss about symmetrical bending. The bending which occur when the load plane coincide with the main axis or principal axis of the beam cross section. This is called symmetrical bending. This is also called as uniaxial bending. Let us take an example. If we are taking an I section, if we are dividing this section along the x-axis, then it will divide into two equal parts. Similarly, if we are dividing along with y-axis, then it can also be divided into two equal parts. So this type of section is called symmetrical. Other topic is unsymmetrical bending. the bending which occur when the load plane do not coincide with the main axis or principal axis of the beam cross section. This type of bending is called unsymmetrical bending. This type of bending also called as biaxial bending. Suppose if we are taking a T section and if we are dividing this section into along with x-axis, then this section can't be divided into two equal parts. So in the similar way, if we are dividing the same section along with y-axis, then it's also can't be divided into two equal parts. So this type of bending is called unsymmetrical bending. Now next topic is difference between symmetrical and unsymmetrical bending. Symmetrical bending, unsymmetrical bending. So in symmetrical bending, the load plane coincide with the principal axis of the beam cross section. But in the unsymmetrical bending, the load plane do not coincide with the principal axis of the beam cross section. Symmetrical bending also called as uniaxial bending. Unsymmetrical bending also called as biaxial or complex bending. In symmetrical bending, the bending takes place along the direction of load take place. But in unsymmetrical bending, the bending deflection do not take place in the direction of load acting. Other topic is bending stress. The stress which occur during the bending moment of a beam. Other topic is prismatic beam. The beam whose cross section is constant along its length. This type of beam is called prismatic beam. This type of beam is in the shape of a prismatic cylinder. Topic is skew load. The load which applied in a oblique manner, this type of load is called skew load. Mainly this type of load acts on unsymmetrical bending. So for today that much. In the next session we will be discuss about the various method to solve the numerical problem based on unsymmetrical bending. So please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get more regular videos notification. Thanks.